Abdul, while driving to school, computes. Computes means to calculate the average speed of his trip to be 20 km per hour. So him going to the school turns out to be 20 km per hour. On returning, that is coming back home from the school along the same road. So distance is the same. There is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul? See, we can no way know what is the actual distance, right? Because, well, there's no other information. So all we know is he starts and goes to the school and then comes back. So this would be his house and that would be the school. So while going, the bus averages 20 km per hour. While coming, it is averaging 30 km per hour because difference in traffic. Distance is same. Remember, distance is same because they are on the same route. Now, any such question, the basic idea is this. We know that average speed is given by change in distance divided by change in time, or total distance by total time. So time for going and coming. So let's keep the time for going as t1 and coming as t2. Right? So we have to, how do we find this? How do we go about? Total distance we don't know, total time also we don't know. So the basic idea here is getting a common factor in both your numerator and denominator. So what is this common factor? You'll understand as and when I complete the answer. So the common factor over here, I would prefer taking distance. Why distance? See, as distance is fixed, right? Whatever we do, no matter whatever we take, time, whatever time we take to go to school, or the speed that the vehicle travels going to school, or the day, it doesn't matter. The distance between house to the school and back is the same. So we're going to assume, we're going to start off with this. Let distance between house and school be x. This would be your common factor, right? In both the numerator and denominator, this will be your common factor. How? See, since we took x as the distance, so total distance would be what? Total distance would be total distance of the trip would be going from heads to school and school to the house. And so this would be x plus x, that is 2x, so many meters or kilometer. It doesn't matter in this case. Anyways, it will get cancelled. So that would be 2x. Now, what is your average speed? Average speed is given by distance by time. So distance would be 2x by time is, well, we have to figure out the time, is it not? So let's get an expression for time. I'll rearrange this so as to get an expression for time. Time is equal to distance by your speed. So your time 1, t1 would be equal to, what is the distance from house to school? T1 is a case wherein we have the first case wherein you have the vehicle moving from house to the school. So we have t1 is equal to x by 20, right? Distance is x and this is 20. See, can you see that? Under the denominator wherein total time is there. Total time for what? For going and coming. Remember, we're trying to take an average for going and coming. So the total time for going has an x. Total distance has an x. So all of this will cancel each other. And from for case 2, school to house, we have T2, here too we have X and 30. So from 1 and 2, what do we have? The total time is equal to total time would be equal to T1 plus T2. So that would be X by 20 plus X by 30. And average LCM is 60. So this would be 3x plus 2x. So this entire thing is 5x by 60. And this is x by 12. So we have total time x by 12 seconds, or r, in this case it's r. And now we have the average speed. How? We have the total distance 2x divided by total time, that is x by 12. So that would be equal to 2x into 12 by x. So this is x and x, 24 meter per second. You got how to do this? At the last, till the last, it was kind of, why is that? How is that we're going to do it? So this is the last step, and I told you guys it will make sense at the last step. So here x got cancelled and we have the answer. So basically average speed is this, we can't change this. So getting an expression for total distance and total time in a common factor is the key. So I found out that total distance to be 2x and total time to be x by 12. So x and x will get cancelled and remaining is your average speed, which is kilometer per hour. My bad, kilometer per hour. So that would be your answer, right? So please pause and have a look. It would be kilometer per hour because this entire thing is in kilometer per hour. So our answer is in kilometer per hour. So this would be in R, this would be in R. And this average speed, sorry, or total time would be in R. And your average speed would be this.